So right behind, we got Wobble behind the camera. Say probably about 60 people showed up so far.
Yeah.
Say probably we expect maybe another 30 or 40 based on the Facebook invite.
Yeah. So what do you do for Obsessed Garage?
I take care of all the landscape. I also do the warehouse, the production plant, and Matt's home.
Nice. And my house here soon.
Soon, if you ever call.
Yeah.
All right, so we're in front of the giveaway car right now, the E92. We're all set up. Today I think is the 4th, 5th, maybe 6th. This is done on the 15th, so we have about 8 days left on this giveaway. We have it listed at stated value of $50,000. Let's be realistic. This thing is probably everything that's been done to it, all the work. What do you think? $90,000, $100,000 car?
Yeah, it's at least.
And so just check out the interior here. Like perfect, Matt perfect. So I mean, everybody knows that Matt doesn't drive his cars too much, which is actually to the benefit of the winner here. So sometimes some of you guys will get in the comments, oh, does this guy even drive his cars? Like, isn't that what you want to win? Like, would you want a car that's all beat up, right? All clapped out? You don't want that. So Matt just got a detail done on it yesterday. It's looking perfect. Right?
Literally
As
perfect.
it always does.
This is the car.
Yeah, Matt's had, what do you think? It's 2013, he got it in 2017, right?
Yep,
2016?
it's about.
Yeah,
This is
so it's beautiful as can be. We got all kinds of people checking her out. So
A lot of people entering the giveaway.
people entering the giveaway today, actually. So we've actually got a tent open on the other side. People doing entries right now as we speak. So what's going on?
Hopefully you entered.
Of course.
All right. Okay, good.
Before today and also today.
Get the pin, bro. Get the pin.
The pin?
Get the pin.
All right, so what's this outfit? This is OG Salesman?
Yeah, I got shorts are from Kohl's.
Okay.
Shoes are from Ross.
Okay,
25.
got it.
25.
$1.25?
Shirts 1 of 1, priceless.
1 of 1.
Pins from OG.
Let me see the pin. Wow.
And then that's about it.
That's it?
Come on through
That's
the open
ghetto.
house.
Yeah.
I couldn't be any less comfortable right now.
Whoa, Brad.
Dude.
Give me a break.
What are you getting here?
We got a shirt. We're trying out tire dressing, and then the wheel brush kit.
Giveaway entries?
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, for sure.
You're going to win.
Gotta get your shot.
I hope so. It would look good parked next to my F80 in my garage.
Ooh,
Nice.
there you go.
Nice.
Here's the deal. If you win, you gotta put a trailer hitch on it, and you gotta take it here to do your landscaping.
I can't. It won't pull it.
It has to.
We'll figure it
out
out.
a way.
We'll
Put a
figure it
diesel
out.
in it.
Diesel swap.
Best product we don't have in the store right here.
Yeah, why not?
Best product not in the store.
Solo?
What'd you do if I just sprayed your camera?
That's fine.
You pissed about it?
No.
No, this is the best. It's satisfying because the button
Okay.
feels real. I wish you could like show the people in the
let's click
camera.
it and I
but-
can get the audio on it. Yeah, that's nice.
That's good.
We're troubleshooting.
What's going on?
Yep, they got to be taped.
And from Louisiana, right? Drove all the way in.
From Homa, just outside
Homa.
of New Orleans area, about an hour outside.
Came in
of
just
New Orleans.
last night. And what do you guys drive in?
Yeah, we drove in a 2022 G80 M3.
Good.
Competition.
They call out.
We were allowed to eat in the car on the way down, I heard.
We
So
were.
it was,
Typically
well,
that's a no.
which used to
but
not be OG spec, but all of a sudden is now Matt approved.
Yeah,
Eating
he's
in the
been
car.
mentioned on stuff.
He said
Well,
over an hour and a half.
So you guys have a garage at home?
Yes.
What are you working on in there right now?
I just got the car, so the next step will be just starting the coating, and
So the
that'll be the
garage
next
was
step.
my home gym
Oh no.
for years and
It's
years,
taken
and
away.
then I come home one day and it's now the
Kind of
garage.
took it over.
Like,
So
they
is there-
kicked me out.
So,
Is there like
I
switch
just did-
tracks, cabinets in there? What's
I didn't get
going
the
on?
switch tracks yet.
Yet.
I just repainted and put Harbor Gray and the tricorn black ceiling, and so
Nice.
I'm in the process.
Getting the
Nice.
Cree lights.
I'm renovating.
He doesn't know it yet, but he's getting Cree lights.
Cree
Not
lights
yet,
are-
but it's coming.
Nice.
Who kicked their wife out of their garage? It was my garage.
Yeah, I left
That's
her.
Obsessed Garage for you. Is that
We
a
just
slip
need
of the-
to-
She has a
that's-
corner now.
That's kind of what
She has a
we do
corner where
here.
she can
That's like
exercise.
it's the thing we do, right?
Have you entered the
Real
giveaway
quick.
yet, sir?
Yeah, because there's certain times I'll forget.
I don't think he wants to win. Right?
No, probably doesn't want to win.